Kunjani bafethu, welcome to my channel. My name is Percival and namhlanje we're going to talk about the 3 points lena Bafana Bafana ethathiwe, which SAFA is trying to appeal right now. And we all know ukuthi uTeboho Mokoena bafethu is not eligible, was not eligible ukudlala at the time, but however Bafana Bafana imidlalise ngenkani, and now 3 points if we investigate bayithatha. Right now, if as much as SAFA they are trying their best ukuthi by Luisa by appeal into, because there's a frame appeal which is the 10-day frame, and now it's day 1, so they still have 9 days to send a request layer to bring back 3 points here. But however, but it's fine. However, my question is, Vincent Tseka, the team manager yethu is Bafana Bafana. Begenzani at the time, didn't he know what Mchita was ineligible ukudlala? Hugo Bros knew very well. However, waba nenkani. Uhelman Mkhelele yena, uTeboho Mokoena yena, according to goal lapha yana abatshela ukuthi bafethu mina man ni yellow card le yana isisekhona isa exist. Ngikutshela ukuthi ukhohliwe wena ukuthi wathole yellow card wena. But it's fine. I think mina mhlambe wayikhuluma lento le bamtshela ukuthi relax antwana, akusinto enkulu. I think he tried to tell them, however, bathenje hayi chila ntwana akusinto enkulu. And manje nako ubuyile. Le game lena besijana leSuthu was not a high pressure match. It was not a high pressure match at all. It was not. Besingamdingi lapha uTeboho. We can do well ngoTeboho lapha ya. Bongafaka Obas. Ohambe kolando phakathi yobiza uNduli. We could still perform well. But I would prefer to play some Obas lapha and Obas bengamfaka. Reason why? Because the international stage uyas. He performs well lapha kuma international stage. Even though good club it doesn't always perform at his best, but when he plays kuma international stages, he performs well. So besingahlula thina ukuyolanda lo Mchita lana. Besingahluleka. Abafethu hayi. Manje sesela ngama game ayi2. 2 yama game which is Zimbabwe and Rwanda respectively. However, as much as kungasama high pressure matches lawo, ama matches esomele siwawine. Singawasha wethu ma team and so washa. But it places us under pressure manje ukuthi we must win na kanjani. We're not going in there with confidence nje. Manje Nigeria they're even closer. They are 3 points away from catching up to us. So we must make sure ukuthi we maintain our second spot, if not what is Bamboo number 1. We can't just sit kuma 3 points asayo appeal and isingekho sure ngayo. Abafethu, as a footballing nation we have to improve. As a footballing nation, we have to improve. We have so many facilities, so many people who know. Ukuthi into right yini into wrong yini. We have so many resources. Tshela ukuthi no one umuntu azanga isuggest into le office ni ukuthi hayi man ngathi lena vena hayi ngathi lena ayikho grand melanga ukuthi idlale. Not even one person said we must investigate. Maybe by investigate, but then the outcome you showed ukuthi nana bo clever na bo Tombo. 3 points gone now. Bafethu try. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you can. If you enjoy the content also, you can come back and watch my videos amanye bafethu. Watch my shorts which I upload every day. I upload every day, maybe sometimes twice or even 3 times a day. Like yesterday, I posted like 6 on TikTok and around 3 or 4 here on YouTube. So if you really like my shorts bafethu, you really like the content I'm doing, please like and subscribe bafethu. And thank you so much for coming through bafethu. See you in the next one. Voila.